Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making Origami Father's Day special bookmark. You'll be having a triangle pocket where you can insert the page like this and keep it. I'll be using 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper to create this model. This color will be the shirt and this color will be the tie. Keep the color side on the top and start with the cross crease. Open the paper and keep the white side on the top and bring this tip to the center point and make a crease. Now bring this side to the center crease. Open the flaps and bring the sides to this crease. Open the flap and repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now we are going to collapse on this line as a rabbit ear fold. Then push the triangle to both the sides and make the crease. Then flatten the triangle by aligning the center line to the center line of the base. This is the tie of the shirt. If you want the wider tie, you can retain the same shape, and if you like the narrower tie, then you will have to add one more step to this. Lift the flap and bring the side to the center crease. Then flatten it. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Now the tie will look like this. Turn the model and bring this tip here below this horizontal crease line. Leave 0.5 mm here and make a crease. Now fold on the center crease line. Then turn the model and from the center point bring the sides to the center crease. Repeat the same thing on the other side too. Then lift the flap and bring out the tie. Then place it as shown. Now the model will look like this. Turn the model and bring this tip to this point. When you fold down the other flap, align it with the previous flap. Then make a crease. Now tuck in the flap as shown. Turn the model and fold triangles on these sides. You can draw a pocket and write the message over here. Father's Day special origami bookmark is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.